What's up, guys? This is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel, Total Technology. So, as per the screen, you can see, guys can see, this is going to be part six of heatmap generation on Basemap. Heatmap generation from Pandas. Thing Basemap. Heatmap generation. So this is the part 6 of the Basemap tutorials. In this tutorial, I'll be going to load one data set from Pandas data frame, and after that I'll be manipulating the data frame, and after that we'll be plotting the data. But plotting means not going to plot like direct values. Probably I'll show you how to use that data in terms of like heat map. So heat map is very important to understand the intensity of anything, like the values, like for example, you are having rain expectancy for last 24 hours within the states. So this is going to be one heat map, like the areas which are more hot than like hot means the in color intensity wise I'm saying, and those areas are actually very dangerous for in terms of what do you say, some sort of natural disaster and all, and like based on that, like government should take some sort of like actions. But this is very high level thing. I'm just talking about like from the project or from the data, visualization point of view, you can do anything. Okay, so first thing first, before going forward, let me load the data. Go. Okay, with the base, pl underscore tool kit base map nap. Not sure what happened over here. Not sure. Not sure what happened here. Maybe I did something wrong. Not sure. mpl underscore tool kits dot. What I'm just thinking. Okay, sorry guys, sorry. I did a silly mistake. Sometime it happened. Okay. Okay. So next thing, loading the data frame, like pd dot read csv pd dot read csv. Not sure. Someone has joined the call. Okay, so why this is not coming? Okay, pd. Oh, some problem with my machine. Okay, so this is going to be data.csv. So dot csv df. Well, so what is here? We are having this index. We are having two things, but probably I'm actually interested for only one column, this number. So we can do something, like we can just change this thing as an index, so it will be easier for like manipulation. But before moving forward, let me just draw the map first. Okay, so again same thing, like map equals to base map. So this is going to be like this and this, and then same thing. Okay, and like this. So this is going to be 67. This is going to be 5. Guys, I'm not going to explain this thing now because I think already have done 100 times this thing. This is going to be 105, 105, and this is going to be probably 37. Projection equals to LCC. This is going to be 26, and this is going to be 77. Then map dot draw map boundary, map dot draw countries. Let me check whether it is working or not. Well, this is working. We need to just draw the coastal lines now. Coast lines. So that's all done. Cool. So next thing, fig equals to plt dot figure fig size equals to 12 by 10. Well, that's cool. Done. The next thing is that we need to like draw the states now. So map dot read shapefile, and we know our shapefile path is here. So this is going to be this. Sorry, I'm not sure, something okay, strange, sometimes happens. Admin to our shapefile, and the name of every other file around this thing will be admin to as well, because our shapefile is located in this directory. So admin to admin to admin to, all shapefiles are with this extension, this .shp. So let's check. Well, let me just done, I think. Okay, so I think this is done. So next thing, I'm just thinking, like guys, I'm just getting one call, just give me one moment, let me just stop the recording for some time. Well guys, I'm back. So what I'll do now, the point is that based on every data, like here we'll be plotting like some sort of heat map on top of this map, and after that we'll show the like color bar, like in terms of ascending order or descending order, anyone can understand like what is our actual like trend of this map. Okay, so first thing we need to like import few libraries like import matplotlib.cm as cm. Okay, now what I'll do, we'll do some sort of like color normalization based on our value. Okay, so let me just start this now. So this is going to be very intense. Like I also took like more than 2-3 hours for this. So our normalized variable, let's take a normalized variable. So this is going to be matplotlib dot, not sure why this is not coming, dot normalize, and this is going to be like v. Let me just check this method first here. Can check this over here. Showing this is not found. What happened? Okay, did a mistake. Import matplotlib. Now this should come. Well, so the signature is vmin vmax. Okay, vmin vmax, and okay, so in our case, let's check this thing first. Okay, vmin is going to be like df, not sure, it is going to be like df number. Okay, dot min, and this is max is also going to be same, but max. So I'm just normalizing this variable uh, based on some matplotlib feature. Okay, okay, so this is done, our normalized variable. So next thing is that let me just create a color map. Cmap equals to cm dot, probably I can take any color. I'm just this color is actually very nice, this one. Okay, let me just create some color like color map now is going to be like cm dot to cm dot, there is a variable called scalar mappable, and inside that I have to put these things like norm equals to nv and cmap equals to cmap. Cmap equals to cmap. So we have normalized and we have created some color combination here. Now let's take two thing and patch equals to this. Okay, so until this part everything is quite okay. Now the fun part will begin. It's the same for like what do you say, like just thinking. I'm just thinking how to do it, guys. Okay, for x and y it is the same in zip. and we all know this is going to be map dot admin2 is there, but still it is not coming. Min2 underscore info and map dot admin. Okay, the next thing, how to deal with this, like let's take a state called st, and I'll show you guys. You all know, right, this thing. I think now this is clear for everyone what is going to be happen with this thing. Okay, x of xt. Okay, so now the color, we need to define the color equals to, like, color equals to this thing, like uh, color map, and inside that you have to pass, like if I, the thing is that st is now, what is st? St is now one state, and I need to get the value from here. So how to do that? Like I need to do some sort of like operation. Okay, so for that let me do something here. Like my df is this, so my df is this, my df should be df dot rename. I'm just renaming it. Okay, so uh, let me just df dot, like state. Okay, just changing it. Okay, so now I equals to state of I for I in range length of state, right? And orientation will be, or probably axis equals to index. Invalid, why it is saying invalid? I state I think I equals to state I. Why this is not coming? What happened? Like I'm not sure what is the error here again. State I for I df dot rename. Not sure, guys. Let me check this thing. Just give me some time. Just checking this thing. Meanwhile, let me just do a Google. Well, guys, this is going to be like one dictionary, so I just missed this part. Now this should work actually. Okay, let's check. So this is df2 now. So df2 dot drop, like state axis equals to, I think, 1 in place equals to true. I'm just removing this state column. What happened again? In place axis equals to 1, df dot drop. Oof, there is so much confusion between this many things. Okay, done. So now finally, if someone is asking you what is going to be df dot, let's say this thing, you can easily say it will be 10. Why this is happening again? Huh? Okay, strange. df2 is now this. Okay, now I understood. Well, now it is becoming series again. Series. Now if someone is asking you this thing, it will be easier. So the next thing is that I need to create this color map over here. Okay, so let's do it. So color map is going to be like uh, dot to underscore rg. This is, we are going to convert this to rgba, and this is going to be df2 and st based on that. Okay, and we need to create a polygon first, right? And this is going to be np dot array the shape one, the y. Okay, and the face color will be color. Okay, and edge color will be white always. Okay, so quite nice, we are doing this thing. And we have to append this thing like patch dot append equals to poly, and colors dot append equals to color. We are done now. So in this part, our heat map should be generated with all these colors. So I'm just going to run this thing now. Well, this is going to be admin 2 actually, that's why. Think again, I'm getting some sort of error, polygon is not defined. Oh, why this is, cause we forgot to import this thing, that is why. Okay, nothing else, we need to import this thing again. We need to import each and everything. Okay, so this is going to be matplotlib patches from matplotlib dot patches import polygon and dot collections import, I think, patch collection. We need to import these things. Now if we run this thing, it should run. Okay, Again, some more error. I'm not sure. NumPy has no attribute array. Okay, interesting. I did some typo. Not sure why this is not working. Just thinking what happened actually. Mm, I did some mistake, or I'm not sure like why this is not working. Oh shit. Actually, I haven't draw this thing yet. That's why. So before moving forward, I need to x like fig dot underscore subplot. Again, this will throw some error, but now I will fix the error probably. X dot add patch. I think there will be poly. Now this should now this should work. Okay, nice guys. I'm very happy that finally I made it. So yes, this is our India, our great India. So this is kind of heat map, like based on some data. For example, now I'm going to draw the remaining part, that is the color bar. Okay, so I hope you guys are enjoying this thing. It is quite kind of I'm doing so many mistakes, but as I told you, like I'm also doing this for the first time, so this is normal. Uh, so the next thing is that we need to like add this thing inside an array, and after that we have to just create the color. Okay, so this is going to be like this thing. Guys, this all everything is documented inside like matplotlib basemap library, so I'm not doing anything fancy. So whatever the documentation is like talks about, I'm just doing the same thing, but in the documentation you'll probably not get the full code. For that you need to like do some sort of like R&D. You have to go through Stack Overflow, GitHub and all. But this is kind of tutorial whatever I'm providing. This is going to be like unique. At this moment there is no videos on that, so I'm not sure for how long this is going to be. And let's say color underscore bar equals to uh, fig dot color bar. So this is going to be like call map ax equals to ax, and probably orientation equals to horizontal vertical orient. Let's try this thing now. Hopefully this should work. Well, well, I'm very much thankful that it's working. I'm happy. Like this is, for example, the value which is like way beyond 100 are actually in the danger zone, and which is having value 500 is quite okay, nice. For example, this thing. Let me, I think, put something like LABEL. I'm not sure whether this will work or not. Like rate of XYZ. I'm not sure. Just check whether this will work or not. Well, rate of XYZ. I'm happy. This is working. So let me just take a photograph, guys. I need to send this to one of my friend. So he asked me. Okay, guys, that's all. So let me just explain the whole thing again. So until this part, everything is fine. Here I'm just using some normalize function from matplotlib to normalize this data, like using max and mean. So you know the normalized normal statistics divided by that maximum value, and after that this will be between some range. And CMap, I'm just using this color. You can change the color. This is actually the color, and after that I'm just using this scalar mappable function to normalize this, taking this normalized factor and you setting this color map. And after that this is like normal list, and I'm just appending all the colors here, and after that, so that we can use this color thing here. Okay, and using the patch, I'm just appending one by one. So like the thing is that whenever I'm just creating add patch poly, so it is actually updating everything on top of this map. Like first of all, this is like for example this part, and next part this become this part, the next part, the whole map will be updated using this append thing and all. Okay, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well, and this is actually quite long from here loading, so you guys now are fully covered. If you guys are having any sort of data, and you can create like any sort of heat map on top of any location, any geography. So just take a homework, go ahead with download some shape file and create some random data, and after this just do some sort of like heat mapping using any sort of like any geography, any whatever, just do it and let me know your feedback. If you're having any problem, just let me know. I'll be always there to help you guys. So those are actually not subscribed to our channel yet, is requesting you to please subscribe to our channel. If possible, share our videos with your friends and family so that we can reach to our like larger audience, larger viewers, so that will definitely motivate us as well. So that's all, guys. Hope to see you in the next part, probably next week or not sure tomorrow. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Also, try to do practice. If you go by this code, definitely will forget everything. So don't just watch or read my like videos and comments. Start doing something by your own. So that's all, guys. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.